Okay, morning everyone. So here is the activity. You have to the answers of our last activity, okay? And we are gonna talk about how do you go from one place to the other, right? Um, the answers from page 91 we have here, okay? Um, Labels here, this is equally used by, it's is equally to food, it is equally to this waste, them equally these changes. Okay, here the QR code, okay, the parts of the house, we have here personal answers. You have to write here what you can see. I hope you have enjoyed this activity, okay? The video here, Straw No More, Molly Steer, Ted, okay? It's about the fight to ban straws and save the Great Barrier Reef. So here in Australia, okay, I just put here some photos, a very nice photo, the Great Barrier Reef that they talk about on the video. Okay. Page 94. Why is it important banning straws? In the end of our class, I want to hear your answers. So please tell me. Okay, it's a personal answer. Page 95. Write the words. The first one is done for you. Words related to house and home. Roof, kitchen, bathroom, bed, okay, etc. Okay, so this is the end of our activity, of our last activity, the answers for that. Okay, and this is the second part. This is the part you have to send me. Ok, parte que vocês vão me enviar para semana, até semana que vem, right? Till next week. The first thing you have to do is you go to YouTube and you type Last Kiss the Pearl Jam, okay? You have to listen to the song and fill in the blanks, okay? Fill the blanks. Sorry, let me just correct here. So start here. The Lord, the verb here, and you have to type here or write down in your notebooks, right? You have to complete, to fill in the blanks here about the song, okay? It's a very good listening exercise. I like this band, I like this song. If you like, very good, nice. If you don't like, sorry guys, but it is an exercise, okay? And here the questions about the song. Letter A, all the verbs in the blanks are in what verb tense? Here you have to answer that, okay? Letter B, what is the song about? So please try to write a complete answer. The song is about, and you have to tell me, you have to answer what the song is about. And letter C, what means of transportation that was used in the song? So you read the song again and write the means of transportation, okay? Now, take your books, page 99, okay, here, page 99. And let's see here, we have a picture, okay, a picture on page 99. How do you go from one place to the other? Okay, tune in, right? Can you relate the pictures and headlines? Okay. And here, guys, you have to relate the pictures. There are two pictures. You have to imagine and write a headline for each picture. Okay, we have a picture here and we have a picture here. You have to take the headlines, one headline for this picture and another headline for this picture, okay? The headlines are here in the box, okay? You can just choose one of them and write, ok? Então, é um exercício para a gente pensar nas imagens e nas palavras. The images and the words, ok? And here, guys, it's a text. Everybody here uses Uber, right? So let's think about this way of go to another place, okay? You go to your app and you contact Uber or another one, okay? I just gave an example because this is the most famous, right? So here we have reimagine spaces. I'm gonna read the text for you about means of transportation, right? Parking isn't just a drain on drivers. Guys, this text I took from internet online from a site. There isn't on your books, ok? Esse texto aqui é para que vocês comecem a pensar no tema da aula, que é How do you go to a place from another one, to the other, ok? Então, eu escolhi um texto para que vocês possam pensar na questão dos meios de transporte alternativos, right? Não está no livro, mas é para ajudar vocês a pensarem no tema, ok? No tema que está proposto no livro, right? So, let's see. Parking isn't just a drain on drivers, it's a drain on a city's limited space. Tackling this challenge may require rethinking car ownership, strengthening mass transit system, and designing more efficient curbs. Picture this. More people in fewer cars and a more pleasant, more affordable alternative to a huge problem every city faces. The world's dependence on personal cars has resulted in cities that focus on wider lanes and vast urban areas dedicated exclusively to parking. Ride sharing could help open up more space for city residents to live, play, and relax. And here, so you have to read the text again and answer. Do you think car apps are helping the environment? Why? So you have to tell me, you have to answer here, not to tell me, sorry, to answer here what you think about car apps, if they are helping the environment, estão ajudando o meio ambiente, esses aplicativos, né, esse meio de transporte por aplicativo, or not, they are not helping the environment, okay? So, if you go to page 101, okay, getting ready, we have a picture here. Okay, you have to look at the pictures. We have 3 pictures, 1, 2, 3 here, and decide what column is the most adequate to describe each of them. Então, vocês vão olhar, observar the pictures here. E aqui we have 3 columns. Vocês devem olhar qual é a imagem, what's the image that matches to each column. Então, a primeira, the first one, I did for you. Então, já fiz para vocês a primeira aqui. So, by air, by land, by rail, by road is the picture number 2, okay? On the same page, we have sorting it out. So we have here 3 pictures, okay? Means of transportation, and you have to write. Nesse exercício, apesar do livro trazer uma outra ideia, eu peço para que vocês, que não dá para a gente fazer, então eu mudei. O que que eu fiz? Eu peço para que vocês escrevam, write the name of the means of transportation here, right? The first one is a train, right? The second and the third one, okay? You have to write down the names of that, okay? So easy peasy, you can consult that, you can check online, whatever. Now, aqui eu coloquei, I just brought here some means of transport, a Pictionary, okay? You have to observe and answer the question. So by air, the means of transportation, the means of transport, we have a plane, a helicopter, a rocket, right? A hot air balloon, blimp, UFO, okay? Unidentified flying object, right? Who believes that? UFO, hang glider, parachute, aircraft. By sea we have another means of transport or transportation. Ship, sailboat, kayak, canoe, speedboat, submarine. By land, we have another ones. Car, police car, taxi, ambulance, truck, bus, fire engine, race car, jeep, bike, skateboard, sledge, roller skate, motorhome, van, tricycle. Let me just check with him. Sorry, tricycle. I always get confused with this word. Motorbike, tractor. And by rail, tram, train, subway. Tram, guys, maybe all of you don't know that, but it's a bonde, okay? A very old one of means of transportation, okay? And you have just to read that and answer this. Which of these means of transportation you think is the most interesting? And you have to tell me, oh, I like this, okay? I forgot to ask you, why is the most interesting, okay? And let me show you the difference. A means of transportation and mode of transport. Okay, what's the difference of that? A mode of transport can be a more general term, referring to road, rail, air, water, etc. A means of transport is more specifically, right? The vehicle that you use to get from point A to point B. For example, bicycle, taxi, horse, whatever. Okay, a mode of transport is a road transport, a rail transport, a sea transport, or air transport. Okay, why I showed you the difference? Because I'll ask you, okay, to observe and write the difference here with your words, okay? If you go to page 103, please take your books again and go to page 103 and pay attention here. We have zoom in Number one, how do the lyrics refer to a type of transportation? This one I did for you. The lyric is this lyric here, is only written. I did the first one for you. The lyrics refer to a mode of transport. And number two, which preposition are commonly used to talk about means of transportation? Are they used in the song or not? You answer that on page 103. Okay? Only this, guys. You finish this activity. Por isso que você só tem 6 dias. Na verdade, é bastante tempo, né? So a lot of time to finish that because it's a very short homework, right, guys? So very easy, easy peasy. So I know you can do that without difficulties. Okay, I'll stop sharing. Please turn on your cameras. Okay, everyone, and your audios too. And let's see all your questions about. Um, let's see that. Please turn on that.
Teacher.
Mhm.